I need to be a host or a co-host to share my screen. Okay, good evening everyone and Jai Bhim. My name is Samriddhi Mandape and today I'm going to tell you the 10 technology trends which you can see in this pandemic. Technology has some wonderful benefits. We use it almost every day. We all know about the COVID-19 pandemic worldwide. All countries are trying hard to reduce the spread of this deadly virus. Science and technology is playing an important role in decreasing the spread of this coronavirus. Here are some technology trends which you can see in this pandemic. The 10 trends are: first is online shopping and robot deliveries. Second, digital and contactless payments. Third is remote work. Fourth, distance learning. Fifth, telehealth. Sixth, online entertainment. Seventh, supply chain 4.0. Eighth, 3D printing. Ninth, robotics and drones. 10th, 5G and information and communication technology. Online shopping and robot deliveries. COVID-19 has transformed online shopping from a nice-to-have to a must-have around the world. Online shopping needs to be supported by some robotic system, as in-person delivery is not virus-proof at all. Imagine a robot coming to deliver a parcel. Online shopping was used before too, but now it is necessary to prevent contact. USA and China are launching contactless payments, contactless deliveries with robots. Digital and contactless payments. Cash might carry the virus, so some countries are making sure to have contactless payments. They are doing digital payments either in the form of cards or e-wallets, but there are still many people in the world who are unbanked. Therefore, it is not possible for some people to pay digitally. Remote work means nothing but things like work from home, virtual meetings, facial recognition. Employees do remote work most of the days. Unfortunately, not all jobs can be done from home, like workers, shopkeepers, laborers, vital industry workers, etc. In addition to preventing the spread of viruses, remote work also saves commute time and provides more flexibility. Distance learning. 191 countries announced or implemented school or university closures, impacting 1.57 billion students. Many educational institutions started offering courses online to ensure education was not disrupted by quarantine measures. Distance learning is similar to those for remote work and also includes virtual reality, 3D printing, and artificial intelligence-enabled robot teachers. It is mostly done through Microsoft Teams and Zoom. Telehealth. Telehealth allows long-distance patients and doctors to communicate with each other, which means that you can take an appointment of a doctor online. Telemedicine is sometimes used as a synonym or is used in a more limited sense to describe remote clinical services, such as diagnosis and monitoring. In Dubai, there is an app named TrueDoc. It is a 24/7 service. Online entertainment. Although quarantine measures have reduced in-person interaction significantly, human creativity has brought party online. Online streaming of concerts have gained traction around the world. Museums and international heritage sites offer virtual tours. Entertainment is something that we need, especially during the COVID pandemic, and so we have online entertainment. Supply chain 4.0. The COVID-19 pandemic has created disruptions to the global supply chain. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to a network of connected devices, objects, and sensors that collect and communicate information. When applied to global supply chain, IoT technology can help businesses serve their customers better while also saving the business money and improving efficiency. 3D printing. 3D printing offers flexibility in production. The same printer can produce different products based on different design files and materials, and simple parts can be made on-site quickly. 3D printing basically means printing 3D items. First, to make a rough sketch or model in a website. Second, print it out. It's being used to print surgical masks and many other things. Robotics and drones. COVID-19 makes the world realize how heavily we rely on human interactions to make things work. COVID-19 provided a strong push to roll out the usage of robots and research on robotics. In recent weeks, drones have been used to disinfect streets and areas. Robots are also keeping track of the patient and giving them company. Robots and drones can be used effectively in case a person does not want to take risks. 5G and information and communications technology. All the technology trends rely on a stable, high-speed and affordable internet, while 5G has demonstrated its importance in remote monitoring and healthcare consultation. 5G is widely believed to be faster, smarter and more efficient than 4G, with speeds of up to 100 gigabytes per second. 5G is said to be as much as 100 times faster than 4G. I would like to conclude my presentation by telling you that technology keeps on growing and growing. These 10 technology trends are helping us to have an easier life during this COVID situation. Thank you.